What happens if you replace coffee with green tea? Think about this. A typical cup of coffee has around 95 milligrams of caffeine. It gives you a quick energy boost, but not long after, you feel that familiar crash. Now compare that to green tea. It only contains about 25 to 50 milligrams of caffeine, but it works differently. Thanks to an amino acid called L-theanine, green tea provides a calm, focused kind of energy. No shaky hands, no sudden drop in energy. Instead of a short spike, you get smooth, steady alertness that can last for 4 to 6 hours, without the roller coaster effect. And there's more. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, often higher than what you'd get from coffee. These compounds help fight aging, support your metabolism, and protect your brain. In fact, 1 cup of green tea can deliver antioxidant power comparable to multiple glasses of orange juice. So, are you ready to make the switch?